arch of aorta. Through the arch of aorta, see here, three branches are coming out. Okay, so this is your what? Brachiocephalic trunk. This is your left common carotid artery. This is your left subclavian artery. Okay, left subclavian artery. You already know left subclavian artery, it is coming out directly from where? Arch of aorta. Right subclavian artery, it is coming out from the brachiocephalic trunk. So this is your what? Right subclavian artery, and this will be your right common carotid artery, like this. Okay, so this subclavian artery, it is dividing into three portions. By which muscle? Scalenus anterior muscle. Okay, and from here you have three branches. One, two, three. Here you have one branch, here you have one branch. Which branch? C and D. Vertebral artery, internal thoracic artery, and your which one? Thyrocervical trunk. C is your costocervical trunk, and D is your dorsal scapular artery. Okay, now see here, all student, this, for example, I take this carotid artery. Now it is dividing into two branches. This is your internal carotid artery, and this is your external carotid artery. Now this external carotid artery, it is dividing into these two terminal branches. What are these two terminal branches? Superficial temporal artery, number one. Okay, and second is which one? That is your maxillary artery. Okay, so maxillary artery and superficial temporal artery, they are your what? They are your two terminal branches of your external carotid artery. So what are the first branch? First branch is your superior thyroid artery. Second branch is your lingual artery. Sorry. Third branch is your which one? Facial artery. Facial artery. Okay. Here you have one medial branch, that is your ascending pharyngeal artery. Then you have here two posterior branches. What are the posterior branches? Occipital artery. And this one is your which one? This is your posterior auricular artery. Okay, posterior auricular artery. Please remember, superior thyroid artery is giving blood supply to the thyroid gland, and from the T branch, from your thyrocervical trunk, there is also inferior thyroid artery. Okay, so thyrocervical trunk, it is giving here the inferior thyroid artery, which is also giving blood supply to the thyroid gland. Okay, here I can write here the tonsils also. For example, if this is the tonsil, so from the maxillary artery, for example, this is the maxillary artery, one branch is going here and giving blood supply to the tonsil. So this is your which artery? Descending palatine artery. Okay, so this is your descending palatine artery. Okay, now see here, this ascending pharyngeal artery, this one, it is also giving blood supply to the tonsils. Okay, then this facial artery, for example, this is our facial artery. This is giving here direct tonsillar artery to the, you can say, to the tonsils, and this is also giving here one branch to the tonsil, that is your ascending palatine artery. This is ascending palatine artery, and this is your ascending pharyngeal artery. This is your ascending pharyngeal artery. Okay, and this is this APA, this is your ascending palatine artery. Okay, ascending palatine artery. This lingual artery, it is also giving here branches to the tonsils. So this is your which artery? This is your dorsal lingual artery. Okay, this is your dorsal lingual artery. So this is the blood supply to the tonsil. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, now coming into the maxillary artery. Now see